Ever experienced the nagging discomfort of chronic sinusitis or postnasal drips? Don't fret, we've got you covered with some home remedies you can try to alleviate the symptoms, no medication required. First up, nasal irrigation. This involves using a saline solution to rinse your nasal passages, effectively removing mucus and irritants and reducing congestion and postnasal drip. You can employ a neti pot, a squeeze bottle, or a saline nasal spray for this. Just remember to follow the instructions to the letter and use sterile or properly boiled water. Next, steam inhalation. This method not only helps to relieve congestion but also moisturizes your nasal passages. Simply fill a bowl with hot water, cover your head with a towel, and lean over the bowl to inhale the steam. Be careful not to get too close to the hot water, and for a refreshing twist, consider adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint. Hydration is key in this process. Consuming plenty of fluids, particularly water, can help thin mucus and stave off dehydration. Try to avoid excessive intake of caffeine or alcohol, as these can dehydrate your body and potentially exacerbate your symptoms. Humidifying the air around you can also prove beneficial. By using a humidifier or vaporizer to add moisture to the air in your living space, you can soothe your nasal passages and reduce discomfort caused by dryness. Another important step is to avoid triggers. These could be allergens, smoke, strong odors, or pollutants that may worsen your symptoms. Aim to keep your living environment as clean and free of irritants as possible. Warm compresses can also provide relief. By applying these to your sinuses or around your nose, you can alleviate pain or pressure, reduce inflammation, and enjoy temporary relief. Last but definitely not least, maintain good hygiene. Frequent hand washing can prevent the spread of germs, and avoiding touching your face, especially your nose and eyes, can minimize the risk of infection. Bear in mind, these home care measures may provide temporary relief, but they may not address the underlying cause of your chronic sinusitis. If your symptoms persist or worsen, make sure to seek medical attention from a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment. So there you have it, several home remedies for chronic sinusitis or postnasal drips. Remember, everyone is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Give them a try and find out what works best for you. And as always, when in doubt, seek professional medical advice.